I hope everyone is doing well today. I'm going to talk about the three C's. And there are three words that start with the C that are very important. So the first one is coachable. The second one is committed. And the third one is consistent. And in my opinion, I think all of these fit the quality of an entrepreneur, because eventually you will want to coach and you will want to mentor somebody that also wants to become an entrepreneur or even a millionaire. And obviously entrepreneurs, they have to be committed to what they're doing. If not, nothing's going to be done. And last but not least is consistency. Being committed and consistent, they go together. You can't really have one without the other. Of course, the top one is optional, but is highly recommended if you want to really succeed in entrepreneurship. And when I mean coachable or mentoring, I mean like coming up with videos on YouTube or creating a blog about how you started your business. Anything that requires teaching is coachable. So if you have any questions or concerns, please respond below and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.